I will say though, just off the get-go, for it to be able to do that on the pan with no spray, no butter. This is Mike's Deal Finder Reviews, where I reveal random viral products off Amazon. Today we have a Amazon Kitchen Find bestseller. It's gonna be the Our Place Always Pan 2.0, which implies that there was a 1.0 version at some point. 2.0 is always better than the first. 3 different sizes. This is the medium size, or 10.5 inches. What's really cool about this is that it does state it's 100% toxic free, while being one of the best non-stick pans according to the reviews. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and dive into this. We're gonna see if it really works. If it's worth it, we're gonna find out right now. This is how it comes packaged, which I thought was really cute. Yeah, the product is not the most affordable or cheapest product out there. A lot of times, especially with Amazon products, that makes me feel better about it, especially this packaging. Like, look at this. This is a full brand. It's a full business. It's not just somebody drop shipping or something like that. It does come with a lid there, as well as a wooden spatula with a little hole. They do more than just pans. They also have full sets, different sizes, like I said. They also do pots as well. Here's the actual pan itself. Another neat thing about this as well is that while it looks like it might be cast iron, it's actually made of aluminum, I believe. The product listing says it's a toxic-free ceramic cookware, patented 10-in-1 aluminum frying and sauté pan. It's also safe for ovens, which is also really neat, up to 450 degrees. Is there anything else in here? No, there's not. So let's get rid of this. Nesting steamer basket for dumplings, veggies, and more. So it does come with a little steamer basket, which I think is cute. That's really neat. That's pretty cool. I don't often steam, or I don't think I've ever made dumplings in my life. I guess we'll have to start. The Always Pan is designed to help you do way more with less. Love that. On the bottom of the pan here, there are some instructions, some maintenance, and how to actually use it properly. Apparently, it can cook eggs, which we'll try without any kind of oil or butter or anything like that. We'll definitely test that. That's one thing I eat every single morning. I usually use a little bit of avocado oil, but if I can forego that entirely, this is definitely worth it. This says, preserving your toxin-free nonstick coating, preheat for 90 seconds before cooking, oven safe up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, hand wash only. It's like this wooden spatula is designed to go right here on this knob, if you can see that. But like while you're cooking, you can just do that. I love it. That's actually really nice to see. Super useful because you don't have to put this dirty spatula on the countertop or dirty the rest of your stove. It stays in place. Love that. Overall, the quality is definitely reflecting in the price point. We're gonna do an egg test on this. We're gonna see how a sunny side egg does with no base, no oil, no butter, nothing, just the egg. So let's throw that in. Okay, so we're putting the pan on here. Obviously, I'm gonna put this one to the side since we're not making dumplings or steaming vegetable. While I'm here, there's a number of different accessories that are not included with this. Like there's like an egg poacher, something or other that you can buy. I'll put some B-roll over this as well so you can see what I mean. There's also like a frying utensil that helps with like frying and splatter and drainage. I think that's super neat that they have those accessories. I wish with the price point it was included. Maybe I should do like one scrambled and like one sunny side up so we can test like the differences. That's what we'll do. We're gonna do 2 eggs. I don't know what preheat your pan means, but I'm going to assume that you turn it on for 90 seconds before you put any food in there. I don't know. Okay. Anyway, but look how pretty that looks on its own. Gorgeous. So let's do the, woohoo. Okay, so we're doing a sunny side up egg first. And don't judge me on my white eggs. There is a recall happening right now. So usually I have brown eggs. Go ahead and drop this egg in. Again, there's no base, there's no oil, there's no butter. It's just the pan with the nonstick coating. Ooh. That so far it looks really pretty. I don't want to mess with it too much, but we'll let it kind of simmer a little bit more. Not to mention, if this does work really well, the amount of fat and calories that you can cut out of eggs just by not having any sprays, and also like the chemicals that are in non-fat like cooking sprays like PAM. Like already you can tell, look at that. That's insane. Okay, yeah, not one stick. Look at that, that's crazy. I'm messing the egg up, but that's okay. It's for science. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, that's actually crazy. Look. Look at that. Okay, well, I'm messing it up because of the spatula, but actually, you know what? Let's use their spatula. Why not? I will say though, just off the get-go, for it to be able to do that on the pan with no spray, no butter. Is that cool, you guys? Is this a good product? I don't know. Let me know. Is that impressive or is that like normal? I mean, there is a little bit of residue right here, but the fact that I was able to move it around the pan like that seems pretty impressive to me. I should have left it on there longer. Again, this is probably like the second time I've ever cooked a sunny side egg. You guys, look at that. Okay, so besides my own idiocracy, that's how it came out. This is how the pan looks. I'd say that's a win. You guys tell me, is that impressive or no? I think that's impressive. So with that said, let me get rid of this. We're going to do a scrambled egg. And again, because I don't really care that much, I'm just going to crack the egg in here and then just scramble it inside here. So we'll see how that works out. And then we'll scramble, scramble, scramble. I probably should have scrambled it in a separate bowl, but that's okay. Try to get a little plate for this. You guys, I'm impressed. Let me turn off the stove. This is what the pan looks like after the scrambled egg. There's some bits on here, but look at how easy it comes off. Unlike other pans, some other pans with like the PFAS and the forever chemicals, it sticks on there like cement. This comes right off with just a very light press. This is how the eggs turned out. Impressive, super bland eggs, no base, no butter, no added oil. I'd say that's a win. I'd say that's Mike Steel Fender. So one other thing I want to show you is how it cleans. That's just a pass with water. And then to clean it, I'm just going to do like a quick little soap here. Do like a quick pass by. So easy. Like the fact that that's not dishwasher safe does not matter to me. It might matter to you, but like that was the easiest cleanup. First of all, that was the easiest cooking job and then cleanup job. Easy. Now I'm gonna put everything back together. This is gonna be permanently on my stovetop as kind of like an accent piece and a decorative piece, as well as a very functional addition to my cookware set. And so there you have it. That was the Our Place Always Pan 2.0. This is again the 10.5-inch version. They have a mini as well as a larger version. They also sell pots. You guys, it looks really cute. I love it. It is a little bit more on the pricey side, so you can take a look at everything down below. If you found value in this video, please give it a like or a heart or whatever's at the bottom of it on Amazon. Make sure you're subscribed so you never miss another review. I'll catch you.
It's not cast iron, right?
No, it's aluminum and ceramic.
I like with those, like leave it on that thing because it's so